Welcome to A Quick Note, your go-to channel for bite-sized wonders of the natural world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of sharks and their diverse habitats. Get ready to explore the oceans, rivers, and even lakes with these fantastic creatures. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick notes on the incredible wonders of our planet. Ever thought about how can we tell different types of sharks apart? Do some sharks actually enjoy hanging out in fresh water? Where can sharks call home? Guess what? There are more than 400 shark species all over the world right now. Some prefer chilling in the deep, chilly seas, while others like to soak up the sun in shallower, warmer waters. Fun fact: sharks are fish, and their skeletons are made of cartilage, not bone. Cool, right? There are cool features that help us figure out which shark is which. They've got fins, gills, and teeth that are pretty unique. Some sharks sport fins on their backs, while others go all out with fins on both their backs and undersides. And get this, every shark rocks some gills, but the number of slits can range from 5 to 7. Teeth are a big deal too. They can be flat, sharp, or even a bit thorny. Here's a jaw-dropping fact: sharks are born with teeth, and guess what? They keep growing new ones regularly. Imagine having thousands of teeth like the whale shark. That's a whole lot of chewing power. But wait, there's more. Sharks aren't all neighbors. They've got their own cribs. Most sharks are ocean dwellers, and you know how people talk about keeping an eye out for sharks at the beach. Well, that's because every now and then, there are news stories about sharks cruising close to where folks are swimming. Talk about an ocean adventure. Hold up, we know most sharks are ocean dwellers, but get this. There are some shark species that break the mold and set up camp in rivers and lakes. Yup, you heard it right. Here's the scoop. Ocean water is like a lifeline for many sharks because they need the salt in it to stay alive. But wait, flooding their cells with fresh water is a no-go. It's a shark survival don't. However, a handful of shark species are cool with slightly salty water, known as brackish. Some are even all about the freshwater life, while a few can make the switch between salty and fresh like it's no big deal. Now, before you start picturing sharks doing cannonballs in your local river or lake, let's chat about where these freshwater sharks actually hang out. It's a fantastic journey. Watch out for bull sharks. They're like the rock stars of rivers and lakes, and they're known to be a bit on the dangerous side. These guys are originally saltwater shoms, but guess what? They can handle the freshwater scene for quite a while. Picture this: they grow up to a whopping 11 feet long, with sturdy, broad bodies. And get this, we've spotted them miles away from the ocean, making appearances in rivers like the Mississippi, Zambezi, and Nicaragua. Some even decided to set up camp in a few lakes after getting there during floods. Talk about making a splash. Now, onto the speartooth sharks. These cool cats can handle both salty and fresh water. You'll catch them hanging around Australia and New Guinea. Thanks to the ebb and flow of tides, they can cruise upriver and then head back to the open sea. Northern river sharks are like their neighbors, sharing the same turf as speartooths. Young ones from this crew love going on river adventures in several Australian rivers. Fun fact: researchers think they might be the rarest shark species on the planet. It's like a secret club, but for sharks. Meet the Ganges sharks, river enthusiasts found in the waterways of India, Bangladesh, Borneo, and Myanmar. These sharks are a bit different. Their eyes are on top of their heads, unlike their shark buddies with eyes on the sides. Why? Well, we think it's like having an extra set of eyes to check out the food scene while they cruise near the river bottom. And here's the kicker: Ganges sharks are freshwater fans, they don't mess with the salty stuff. Now, let's talk mystery sharks, the Pondicherry sharks. No one's really sure how many of these elusive fellas are out there. It was a real shocker when a fisher in Sri Lanka caught one in 2011 because scientists thought they were extinct. We're still in the dark about these small sharks. Like, how long do they chill in freshwater compared to the ocean? It's a sharky secret waiting to be uncovered. Let's wrap it up with the incredible Greenland shark. These guys aren't messing around. They grow big and live a seriously long life. Picture this: they hit maturity at 150 years old and can keep on swimming for up to a mind-blowing 500 years. These cold water enthusiasts can dive deep into the chilly ocean depths. Fun fact: researchers often spot Greenland sharks in Canadian rivers, making them real globetrotters. So, these 6 shark buddies teach us a thing or two about how animals can totally rock different homes. Imagine if you could switch between places like they do. Any ideas on other animals that have mastered this skill? It's like a wild game of animal hide and seek. And there you have it, folks. A quick journey through the diverse homes of sharks, from the mighty ocean to the winding rivers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the shark world, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to A Quick Note for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.